What's up, gang? ShanDonnPlus back with another video, and today I will be bringing you a video about my Robinhood portfolio. Yep, my Robinhood portfolio. And before I advance with this, I am not your financial advisor, so this is not no tips or an advice on what you should buy and sell. This is just what I'm doing with my portfolio. And also, I'm going to share some experiences or my experience with Wallstreetbets. The weight that I carry on my shoulders every day, that should be heavyweight. Yeah, that should be heavyweight. So I gotta dedicate. I set an example for my little brother, so I gotta demonstrate. Gotta show him better way. Let's get it started. Make sure you guys leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. If you guys want a free stock from Robinhood, I'll put a link in the description so you guys can grab a free stock from Robinhood if you don't already have an account. And within the first 24 hours, me and you will receive a free stock from Robinhood. So if you want a free stock and you don't have Robinhood and you want to sign up for Robinhood, this is a video. Make sure you guys sign up using the code down in the description. Now, I'm investing $660, and over the last 3 months, I've lost basically $20, and I'll explain that in my Wallstreetbets video. But I lost a lot more. I lost about 50. Yeah, I lost about 50 in my portfolio, $50. But I made a little bounce back into play for me to get, a little bit more money, which will be explained later. But yeah, let's just go through these stocks. TDMI Titan Medical. I saw this as a discounted price because in the future I know that AI is going to be very incorporated with our economy, with health, travel, and a lot of other stuff. So I know that this is, well, I have a good feeling that in the future this is going to boom. Next stock, Heckler Mining. Heckler Mining, I actually got this. Yeah, Heckler Mining, I actually got this as a free stock from inviting a friend, and it was at $5 or $5.50, and it's actually going up. So I didn't sell it right away. So I did a little research, and I found out that it's a gold and silver producing company, and that this Heckler company produces 1/3 of the silver for the United States. Also, I think, and they have a dividend yield. So I might be doing a little bit more research into, do I want to keep building on this Heckler position, or do I want to sell it, or can I find anything better? But yeah, that's Heckler Mining. Next, we have 3 shares of India Globalization Capital. India Globalization Capital is a health science company, and they also have an infrastructure company that leases, big construction vehicles, heavy machinery in India. And their health science, which is based in Canada, use cannabinoid science with their health research. So yeah, I'm very interested in that, and I think that this is a very cheap price to get, a couple of stocks. How much I got? I got $6 invested in it. $6 and almost 25 cents invested in it, and I'm down 33 cents totally overall. But I know in the future that this is going to go up, or I believe in the future that this is going to go up. Next, we have Ceron Chronos Group. It's based in Canada, and it uses it's a cannabis stock for healthcare services and agriculture. So this is a pretty popular stock already, but I know in the future that this is going to be one of the front runners, or I believe in the future this is going to be one of the front runners for the cannabis stocks. And right now in the U.S., we don't have a lot of cannabis stocks that are very public or accessible to trade to, especially on Robinhood. So a lot of the cannabis stocks are coming out of Canada because they're already, they already had legal cannabis in Canada. And I got some other partials with Canopy Growth, looking to build in that position, and Global Silver Miners ETF. And also I have some in the Vanguard high dividend. I'm going to be building on these positions. I don't have a full share of these positions, so I'm not going to really get into much detail about them today. But in the future, as I build in the positions, I will talk about them more and more. And last but not least, AT&T. I bought the AT&T stock because it has a super high dividend yield, and I thought it was at a good price for what it was at, $28.70. I looked at the year and I said, oh, okay. I looked at the year and I said, oh, it could go up to $35, or it's been at $35 before. 5 years ago, it's been around $40. So I know that due to the pandemic, a lot of stocks crashed. So they're back on the up and up, and they're going to start trending again. So I just got me a good position in there, and I'm looking to also build on AT&T. And it's crazy I don't even have AT&T. I've had T-Mobile, but maybe I'll think about switching over to get AT&T just cause. Also, I have some Dogecoin, Hodl, Diamond Hand Brothers out there. I've been had Dogecoin. Let's go to my first purchase with Dogecoin. I had Dogecoin since October 3rd, 2018. So that puts me ahead of everybody on the curve. So if you just invested in Dogecoin, man, step your game up. It's like, nah, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I didn't even know. I was just messing around back then, and I wasn't that serious about trading on Robinhood. I barely even knew anything. I just know I could buy stocks and put money in stocks that I didn't have the full money price for. So I was like, you know what? Let me just buy some Dogecoin because it was very, very cheap at the time. It was, and it's cheap still. It's still very cheap now at 5 cents a coin, but back then it was like under like I don't even know how to explain the number. Maybe I'll get back to that, but yeah. It was very cheap, and you know, for the memes, hodl. And this is not, I'm not advising anybody to get Dogecoin, but like if you're, you know, if you're in the community, you know, diamond hands.
Nice.
So yeah, let me explain. Also, before we go into the Wall Street bets section of this, I was also holding CCIV. I can show you my buys. January 26th, and this is exactly when I started with Robinhood, around 25th and 26th. I put $1 in at first, and then I heard more rumors about it. I kept hearing rumors about it. Then I bought another share, and it's crazy because those two shares cost me about $40. I took out $119, and that's just off of shares. That's not options trading, which I'm gonna get into. It's just crazy because I never did anything like that within about, let's say, 3 weeks. I turned $40 into $120 by just having something and then selling it. I know it's gonna go higher. I'm looking to build another position in here, but I just wanted to free up some buying power so I could get into more options trading. So, and that's what like really bounced me back with this whole account, because you could see around this time, around the news, I was around February 3rd, I was at the bottom of my portfolio, and I just started growing, and it took another dip, but then I guess CCIV started popping off around the 12th. So yeah, that's my Robinhood portfolio. Remember, guys, again, if you want to check out, or you guys want to get a free stock, make sure you guys check out the link in the description to Robinhood. It'll give you a free stock within the first 24 hours of signing up, and it'll give me a free stock within your first 24 hours of signing up. So if you want to be, you know, generous and you're looking to get a Robinhood account, sign up. So now I would like to explain my time with my experience with Wallstreetbets. And what I did was I did some impulsive trading, and I'm like, to the moon.
No, God, please, no, no.
Now, I didn't do the worst thing possible, and I think the worst thing possible because at that time, GameStop. Let me go to GME. GameStop was at like, at the time of me doing this, let's say the 27th. GameStop was at 347, and I'm like, wow.
Oh my God! Wow!
Like, this is amazing. A lot of people make money, and they're like, and then on the Reddit, they're like, it's going up to 1,000. We're holding to us 1,000. I was like, I don't want to risk that much buying power for me to, you know, hop in at 300. And then what if it doesn't go to 1,000? It could come down. Look, exactly. It came down to 139, went up to 325, and then came all the way back down to 50. But I think it still has time to rise. Now, this is a better price to buy in at. I'm not advising nobody to buy in. This was, you know, as you may know, one of the meme stocks that's going on. That's still probably not as trending as much as it was when it was $300, but it's still trending. But what I did was I got into AMC, and I got into AMC at one of the most worst one of the most worst positions I could get in. It went up to $20, and guess how much I got in AMC at? I bought 3 shares of AMC at $16, and then I bought 2 more shares at $12. Then I bought 4 more shares at $8.
Stop it. Get some help.
And I bought another share at $7.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
So at this point, I'm praying that my money comes back, because I'm just seeing my portfolio dip and dip and dip and dip, and I'm just buying and buying and buying in diamond hands. But so I end up selling all of my shares at $6.88. That is a bad flip. That was bad business. I take that as learning experience because let's say, I want to say stupid for me to just go in a Reddit chat and hear that people are making money and just throwing my money into a stock that I'm thinking is going to bloom or boom without even doing no research or not even marking up the chart. I was just, diamond hands, hold them. But yeah, I just sold out of that just to make sure that, it doesn't keep taking my money. It's now at $5, so I sold at a better price than I would be selling if I sold today, to be honest. Yeah, my Wall Street Bets experience is still going on. I still stay in the Reddit, keep up with the guys, look at the memes, laugh at them. So yeah, that's going to conclude the video with me and my Robinhood portfolio and also my Wall Street Bets experience. So I hope you guys have a good day on this beautiful day. And make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And also, I'm going to remind you one more time, if you want a free stock in Robinhood, check out the link in the description. If you sign up within the next 24 hours, you get a free stock and I get a free stock without even putting any money in. So just check out that link, get us some free stocks, and, have a safe day. Shout out.
Project Bluebeam, Bluebeam.